Hi everyone, welcome to CAKES channel. Today I'll show you how to make this super adorable souffle cake. First, use a white pipe cleaner to make a small plate. Coil it while applying glue to secure it. Attach another pipe cleaner and keep coiling. It should look like this. Take 4 light green pipe cleaners and join the ends together. Then connect them in pairs. Wrap them around a pen or a wooden stick to form springs. Make 2 long spring pieces like this. Repeat the same steps with 2 white pipe cleaners. Join the ends, then wrap them into springs. Thread the white pipe cleaner through the center of the spring, then twist it to secure. Trim off the excess and tuck both ends inside. Prepare a small foam ball. Glue the 2 ends of the spring together. Shape it into a neat circle. Glue it onto the plate you made earlier. Cut the foam ball in half and glue 1/2 in the center. Then glue on the white spring ring. Glue the ends of the green spring together, shape it into a neat circle, then stack it on top. Glue the remaining foam half into the empty space. Wrap half a pipe cleaner around a pen or a paintbrush about 1 centimeter in diameter. Apply glue and join the ends to form a neat circle. It should look like this. Take another half of a white pipe cleaner, wrap it around the tool, then join the ends to form another neat circle. Now glue it in place. It should look like this. Next, let's make the strawberry. Take a pink pipe cleaner and shape it into a triangle with a filled center. Then wrap upward from the bottom. Hide the excess at the back. little pink blush to the bottom of the strawberry. This creates a soft gradient effect. Take a green pipe cleaner. Make the strawberry leaves the same way as the small flower. 4 or 5 leaves will be enough. Then cut out the leaves. Lightly heat the base with a lighter. Then glue the leaves onto the strawberry. Next, take a white pipe cleaner. Fold it in half, twist it, and shape it. Make each piece about 3.5 centimeters long. Make 2 pieces like this. Apply a little glue. Then insert the 2 ears into the ring. Adjust the ears while the glue is still setting. Next, add some blush. Apply it to the ears and both cheeks. Attach the plastic eyes. Use glue to secure them. Add a little more blush. You can also add a tiny bow or any decorations you like. Finally, attach the keychain to the whipped cream ring, and it's done. Give it a try. I'd love to see your finished creations.